Hi everybody, my name is Sahari. I am a manifestation specialist, life designer and creator of YOUZen Life, so you can have the life exactly how you want it. So today, personally, I experienced this, so I decided to create a video. Maybe this is helpful for you too. So when you want to have something you want in your life, say for example, you really want to start a new business, like for home-based business, so you can stay with the kids while you're working from home. Or maybe you wanted to lose weight before next year start or summer start, or maybe you wanted to have a more peaceful and happiness relationship. Whatever desire is, in order to actually have those desire in a reality, you got to do something about it. You're not gonna wait and watching Netflix and all of a sudden life changing next day. That's not really happening. So you got to take action. But thing is, not always easy. Depend on what you want in your life. There is always resistance. There is always resistance towards taking action, because we have a lot of, like, this is the iceberg situation. Some of the belief we already know what you need to change about money block or self-doubt and stuff like that. But underneath of the iceberg, there is so many beliefs. It's not really supporting you. Often those beliefs coming from even someone else, but it's stuck there, but you cannot actually see it. You know you cannot change anything unless you know it, right? So you have to, those iceberg, underneath the iceberg things has to come into the surface so you actually see it so you can change it. So reality is there is so much kind of baggage underneath those iceberg situation. Often, even though you know you have to do A and B and C in order to lose weight or to start a business or be confident, feel less stress or whatever your desire is, you know you got to do those tasks, but there is no motivation. Yeah, so you wake up tired, say, oh God, I really need to go to the gym, but I just don't feel like it. And or maybe I know in order to change, start a new business, I really have to do this and this so I can get started it. But is that stuckness? Is it constantly stay in the same place? So this is a reality. And I will help you to get through this. So this is a video all about how to deal with this lack of motivation time. Yeah. So first thing is first. You realize you have lack of motivation, and then just remember this unmotivated state is your safety net. Remember that. So just imagine you have an evil part of you constantly holding you back in your life, because evil part of you, bully part of you, believe or make you believe that is a safe place. Because we all human hates change. We are habitual people, so we hate change. Look at my cat. Can you see my cat? Maybe not. I got a cat sleeping there. They are such a habitual animal. All they do is the same thing and then again and again and again. That's okay. They're animal. But we are human, experiencing this human life and moving forward and changing, transforming and expanding. That's our job in this human life. But we have animal part to stay where you are. So unmotivated part is constantly showing up because you believe that is a safe place. So just I want you to know that. So when next time you feel unmotivated, say, okay, this is not going to support me. This doesn't necessarily connecting with because I'm so tired. I am really something wrong with me, or I got sick, or nothing like that. Motivation is basically try to keep you trapped in a safe place, which not necessarily safe for you. So just remember that. then first thing is first is go back to the pen and a paper and write it down why in the first place you wanted to do that. So why did you decide to lose weight? What you gonna gain from losing weight? Why you so badly wanted to lose weight? Maybe you wanted to lose weight to become more healthier. You want to play kids without very tiring. Maybe you wanted to have the perfect jeans. You wanted to put it on for many years. You feel confident when you lose more weight, so you can start dating. Maybe you wanted to start your own business because you really hate thinking about it, putting your little one to the daycare for next few years, or you may be hating thinking about it going back to work. Something is just not fulfill you just for the sake of making money. Just write it down. Kind of revisit why you decided to do whatever you want in a desire. So just kind of rechecking, this is what I want. So that will start moving you. But again, not necessarily that only one thing will gonna change you. But what I want you to do straight after is write it down 3 things you must do that day in order to achieve whatever your desire is. Maybe, so for me, I was so motivated this morning. I tried to brain my health. I've been struggling the health issue, and I tried to brain for that. But if I keep braining for that health issue, of course, I'm not saying not taking time off or anything. I do. I had a nice weekend and I'm ready to rock and roll again. But if I making excuse for that, I would not achieve anything I want. So I wrote it down what I need to do today, 3 things. And I already done 2, I think. 2 of them are done, 1 more to go. So once that's done, you can have a rest and do anything you wanted to do. So write it down so it's your overwhelmed state of mind to very clear, this is what I need to do. And I want you to really do that. Then number 3, move the body. After that, started moving body, maybe going to walk. I went to gym. I did body combat to just punch up my motivation part, and punching up and get a little bit, just start moving instead of like, I don't feel like doing it, and started to turn on the TV. Don't do that. Just move your body. And then after I did is that I really still, even though already taking action, but I know I still have a feeling of very lack of motivated place. So I did energy cleansing myself. So something you can do is this energy is quite simple to understand. So it's almost like when you are thirsty, you drink water, right? Similar sort of thing. When you are feeling unmotivated or scared, you just fill up with good energy. Simple thing you can do, use your palm upwards somewhere in the sun or nature or somewhere like that, and have a very nice big breathe. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, and hold. Just imagine energy coming through your palm and just cleansing whatever no need to stay there. So I am a pranic energy healer, so I can actually do energy healing myself. But if you don't know how to do it, or you are if you need help, I'm happy to help you. Just contact me for the healing session. This is really helpful. Like my healing session is a 3-in-1 healing session. So I do energy healing, and also I do the channeling, and I get the receiving the message, whatever you need to do something about towards to your goal. And I do coaching sessions. So like 3-in-1 session you can booking if you want to. But yeah, just simple palm upwards to nature and breathing, that itself is an amazing tool you can do. So then, still not motivated, there's so many other things you can do. You can do dance, you can do listen to the music you love, and then that just shift. But what I really wanted to focus on this, or what I really wanted to stress here is, remember, those unmotivated and that feeling is that literally handcuffed to you to stay where you don't want to be. So in order to change it, you the one become master of your mind to say no to that and do something about it. Do not get confused with pushing constantly. Like you still have to rest. You still have to look after yourself. Beside that, you still need to take action. So just do having both balanced really well. So that's that I really felt that in the same way, and I'm sure many people feeling sometime that way too. So I really wanted to share that today. Hope this is helpful for you. If you like it, make sure subscribe or hit the bell to make sure to get the next video coming up, and then you get notified. That's it from me. See ya. Bye.